So Peugeot 207 estate, rear tail light removal. Let's remove this from here. You got one 10mm bolt. Unclip this here first, unclip the plug. This little tab on top. Just pull that. Push the tab in, pull that out. And then behind here, 10mm bolt. Can't really see it. Right there. There's one bolt there, unscrew that. Right, let's unscrew this. So you take that bolt out and you just want to pull. Right, so from here, just hold your hand here. One hand here. And one here, and just pull towards you. So you've got the two tabs here. So you slide that towards you. And one there. And then the one bolt. That's a 10mm bolt. That's the rear tail light removal on a Peugeot 207 estate.